Hello, my name is Guy Berlanda. I want to do a quick video to show you how exactly to take this product. All right, this is our Swish CBD, and this is going to apply to the Swish Ageless as well. When do you want to take this? As soon as you receive this in the mail, all right, you want to unscrew the black cap, and sometimes it can be a little difficult. There we go. This is a brand new bottle, and you'll see there's a safety seal on this. Now, you might take you a little bit of practice to get used to it, but you pull off the safety seal and you throw that away, right? Now, first thing in the morning, prior to eating is best, but it really doesn't matter. If you forget it, take it as soon as you remember, right? But you fill up this black cap. That is a measured serving. It's 5 milliliters. Now, you can drink from the black cap, but never ever drink from the bottle. You don't want to contaminate this with any kind of backwash that might be in there. But if you drink it from the cap, that's okay. Or you can figure out what is a measured serving in your favorite little shot glass and use that. And then you put it in your mouth and you swish it around very violently for like mouthwash, or violently, but like mouthwash. But you want to do it for a minimum of 30 seconds. 60 seconds is better. Now, if you're using this on a pet, which you can do, you want to probably a little bit less amount, but they will still absorb it if you put it like in their drinking water or in a mix it up with their peanut butter or their favorite treat, whatever. They'll still get the absorption. The same is for you. Maybe you have an elderly person that can't swish, or you have a child that can't swish. You can mix it in with anything else that they're eating. They will still absorb it. But the concept behind swishing it is to get a faster into your cells actually even faster, all right? And bypass that digestive system like we talk about all the time. So you're going to put that in your mouth, switch it for a full 30 seconds to a minute, and then swallow it. Obviously, I didn't do a full 30 or 60 seconds, but that's the idea, all right? So that's how you use this product. Now, the first time you open up a brand new bottle, it's the easiest way to remember it. For that first week, that first 7 days, you're going to do this first thing in the morning, and then again about 6 to 8 hours later. So set your alarm on your phone or whatever you need to do. So you take your second serving and you want it separated by 6 to 8 hours. That's going to keep this, it just makes the most sense and way to take this twice a day for that first 7 days that you're taking this product. And then you back it off to just first thing in the morning. Some people may feel a little tired in the first couple days. That's because this is a powerful detox. That's just an indicator that your body needs this and it's actually working. So stick with the program. That is my biggest encouragement to you. All right. Then everything after that for the next 3 weeks, first thing in the morning. And then you do it again the following month, open up a new bottle twice a day for that first week. Company is very generous. You know, a lot of supplement companies, you only get a 30-day or 28-day supply. Not with this. You get a full 39 servings with this product. It's absolutely amazing. And we encourage and we look forward to hearing your testimony soon. Bye bye.